drawing tablets are essential tools for digital artists and designers, offering a seamless transition from traditional mediums to the digital realm. These versatile devices combine the convenience of a touchscreen with the precision of a stylus, providing a natural and intuitive drawing experience. The tablets come in various sizes, with pressure-sensitive screens that allow for varying line thickness and opacity, emulating the feel of traditional art materials. Many models feature customizable buttons and touch rings, enhancing workflow efficiency. Connectivity options, such as USB or wireless capabilities, ensure seamless integration with different devices. The tablets are compatible with a range of software, from industry-standard programs to beginner-friendly applications. With their sleek designs and advanced features, drawing tablets empower artists to unleash their creativity, offering a limitless canvas for artistic expression. Welcome, viewers. Prepare for an exhilarating display of top-notch drawing tablets. Join me, hit subscribe, and let's embark on this thrilling adventure together. GAOMON's Pen Display tablet secures an impressive 5th position in our rigorous evaluation. This versatile device is not only suitable for beginners but also caters to professionals in digital drawing, sketching, graphics design, 3D artwork, and animation. It seamlessly integrates with popular online meeting programs like Zoom, making it ideal for online education and remote meetings. Additionally, it finds broad usage in annotating and signing files in Excel, Word, PDF, and PPT formats. GAOMON prioritizes the protection of the PD2200 drawing monitor during shipping, applying an anti-glare film in their no-dust factory to prevent bubble formation. The PD2200 comes with an 8192 battery-free pen with tilt support, offering superior control and remarkable fluidity. The pen holder conveniently stores 8 replacement nibs. HUION has rightfully earned its recognition by securing an impressive 4th position on our esteemed list, thanks to its exceptional qualities. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16, 2.5K, boasts a remarkable 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution and a high pixel density of 186 ppi, ensuring striking clarity and capturing every detail of your creations. The full lamination technology minimizes parallax, guaranteeing precise cursor placement even at the edges. With anti-glare glass, distracting reflections are prevented, providing a comfortable drawing experience. Powered by quantum dot technology, the KAMVAS Pro 16, 2.5K, displays 16.7 million colors, 99% Adobe sRGB wide color gamut, and a high contrast ratio of 1200:1, enabling smooth color gradation and precision. It meets the demands of creative professionals in photo and video editing and graphic design, offering highly color-accurate graphics. The battery-free stylus PW517, utilizing HUION PenTech 3.0, offers exceptional precision and natural control with 8,192 levels of pen pressure and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition. The KAMVAS Pro 16, 2.5K, supports multiple devices, including Windows PC, Mac, and Android tablets, through its USB-C port, enabling seamless data transmission, display signal, and power delivery with a single cable. UGEE has rightfully secured a well-deserved 3rd position on our esteemed list, showcasing its exceptional value. The UGEE M708V3 graphic drawing tablet offers a large 10x 6-inch active drawing space with a papery texture surface, providing a smooth and expansive canvas for your digital artwork. It delivers a lag-free sketching and painting experience. The more affordable passive stylus technology provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing you to create accurate lines of varying weight and opacity based on the pressure applied to the pen. This is perfect for artistic design and achieving unique brush effects during photo retouching. The tablet exhibits powerful compatibility, working seamlessly with Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, and Mac OS X 10.10 or above. The driver program supports popular creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Macromedia Flash, Comic Studio, SAI, Infinite Stratos, 3D Max, Autodesk MAYA, Pixelogic ZBrush, and more. With 8 customizable express keys on the side, you can easily access shortcuts like eraser, zoom and slash out, scrolling, and undo, boosting convenience and productivity while creating. The tablet caters to both right and left-handed users and comes with a pen holder and extra pen tips. It is suitable for professional artists, newbie designers, and hobbyists of all kinds. UGEE provides a hassle-free 12-month warranty and reliable customer service. Claiming a well-deserved second place on our esteemed top list, HUION, a brand highly regarded and renowned, presents an outstanding array of products. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 drawing tablet with screen offers immersive viewing with a 15.6-inch full-laminated screen and anti-glare glass, delivering clarity and fine detail. The smooth but slightly textured surface provides a comfortable drawing experience. Experience vibrant and true-to-life colors with the pen display's 120% sRGB, 92% Adobe RGB, color gamut volume and 16.7 million 8-bit colors. The 1000:1 contrast ratio ensures clear and sharp shadow details. The KAMVAS Pro 16 drawing monitor features 6 customized express keys and a touch bar, allowing easy access to favorite shortcuts for various operations such as zooming, brush size adjustment, and saving time and keystrokes. The adjustable stand offers flexibility, with angles ranging from 20 to 60 degrees, reducing tension in the neck, shoulder, and back, and providing the best viewing angle for drawing and typing. The battery-free pen delivers accurate and responsive performance, with 60 degrees tilt recognition and virtually lag-free tracking. The pen also features 2 programmable side buttons for convenient access to software shortcuts. The drawing tablet can be easily connected using the 3-in-1 USB-C cable, supporting multiple purposes and eliminating wire clutter. Securing the highly coveted top position on our list, Simbans presents an exceptional product that excels in safety and reliability. The PicassoTab is a versatile drawing and animation tablet that unleashes your creativity anytime and anywhere, without the need for a computer. With its standalone functionality, you can take your artistic projects on the go, whether it's to the park, bus, or school. Break free from the limitations of a desktop computer and let your imagination roam. The PicassoTab comes with pre-installed apps for digital art and animation. The Concepts app offers professional-grade drawing tools, while Flipaclip enables users to create and animate drawings with various tools and layers. Additionally, a free upgrade to the Pro version of Concepts is included. Purchasing a PicassoTab art tablet means more than just acquiring a device. It's an all-in-one package that includes essential accessories to safeguard and maintain your investment. Along with the 10.1-inch tablet and pressure-sensitive pen with pre-installed drawing and animation apps, you'll receive 4 bonus items valued at $70, a premium tablet bookcase, a drawing glove, a universal power adapter, and a pre-installed screen protector. The PicassoTab offers various connectivity options to keep you entertained and connected wherever you go. It can connect to your home Wi-Fi network, allowing you to enjoy your favorite entertainment on the go. The micro HDMI port enables you to connect the tablet to your TV for an immersive viewing experience of movies, shows on Netflix, gaming, and internet browsing. We highly value your input. Feel free to share your thoughts on drawing tablets in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable as we constantly strive for improvement. Thank you for actively participating and contributing to our mission.